Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable defensive ball poke. In the beginning, let's go to settings and scroll down to gameplay helpers. Here you can switch defensive ball hook on and off. This function, user-controlled defenders will auto-move into position to play a catch when executing the catch mechanic while the ball is in the air. Disable this mechanic may cause user defenders to attack the ball in the air less aggressively. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.